Hey there, everyone! Dustin this side. Today, I'm taking a critical look at a new AI-powered platform called Influenx AI. This tool promises to revolutionize the world of influencer marketing. But is it really worth the hype? Let's dive in and find out. Also for you, I have more than $8,000 worth of bonuses waiting. Influenx AI claims to give anyone the ability to create, automate, and monetize their own AI influencers without ever having to show their face or build a following. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, that's exactly what we're going to explore in this review. In this video, we will go through different OTOs, the one-time offers for the new Influenx AI launch. If you want to check out the Influenx AI at any point, click the link in the description. The description also includes all the details of OTOs and upsells. Also, here are the extra bonuses worth more than $8,000 that you'll be getting from my end if you decide to purchase it from the link given in the description below. So what is Influenx AI? Influenx AI is a platform that allows you to choose from pre-made AI influencer avatars or even clone yourself, generating realistic digital personas that can produce videos, posts, and even engage in real-time conversations. The tool also promises to automate the entire content creation and posting process across multiple social media channels. Let's see the demo of the Influenx AI and understand how it works. I hope you understand how the Influenx AI works now. Now, some key features of Influenx AI. The potential benefits of Influenx AI are certainly intriguing. The ability to create and manage AI influencers could save you a ton of time and effort, and the commercial license means you can potentially rent out your AI personas to businesses for some extra income. However, there are also some significant concerns to consider. The realism and effectiveness of these AI influencers are still questionable, and there are valid ethical questions around transparency and authenticity. Additionally, the legal implications of using AI-generated content for commercial purposes need to be carefully examined. Now let's see the OTOs, the one-time offers as well. Influenx AI front end for $17. The first OTO is Unlimited Edition for $67. Second OTO is DoneForYou Edition for $297. Third OTO is Automation for $47. Fourth OTO is Swift Profits for $47. Fifth OTO is Limitless Traffic for $97. Sixth OTO is The Agency for $167. Seventh OTO is Franchise Edition for $97. Lastly, the eighth OTO is Influenx AI Multiple Income for $47. If you're ready to take your influencer marketing to the next level and start generating passive income through AI-powered personas, then I highly recommend giving Influenx AI a try. Head over to the website and check out the special launch pricing. This is an opportunity you won't want to miss. So what are you waiting for? Let's start building your AI influencer empire today. Till then, I'll see you in the next video.